we recommend creating a user account. That way, everything you create or order on the website can be saved, and you can make edits and changes in the future. Just click the Login Sign Up button at the top of the page to create your new account, or to log into your existing one. It's important to remember that anything you do on the website will not be saved if you are not logged in. So always log in first, so any labels you make can be saved to your account. Once you've signed into your account, all your account information can be found on your dashboard. You can access everything by clicking on your account icon on the top of the page. All of the links are available directly from the dropdown, and you can see them all on your dashboard. All of your previous order history can be found under Orders. You can view the details of every order and see what labels were purchased and what you paid. Probably the most important part of your account is your label history. When you click the My Labels button, it shows you all the labels you've saved. Clicking the Edit button on the label allows you to open it in the customization screen and make any edits and changes you want. This can be very helpful when you have a previous design you like, and you just want to change the year, or the varietal of wine, or anything else. You can also change your billing and mailing address, or change your password in account details. More information and helpful videos can be found in the Help and Info section of our website. And if you have any specific questions, you can always email us through the Contact Us page.